The Manhattan. It's strong, boozy and upmarket. If it was a person, it would model itself on Patrick Bateman and would throw a tantrum if they couldn't get a reservation at Dorsia. When in reality, they own a bit of crypto and the ice cream machine is bust at McDonald's. Let's kick this off by adding 2 ounces, that's 60ml of a bourbon or rye whiskey to the mixing glass. Then add 1 ounce, that's 30ml of sweet red vermouth, and repeat after me, refrigerate the vermouth. And true to form, I've done it again with the bitters. It's like having an elderly relative having a midnight piss and missing the toilet. I need to really invest in a dasher, but a couple of dashes of Angostura bitters and this would be great. Add ice to the mixing glass and stir this for 40 to 50 seconds or until you notice the mixing glass is getting cold to touch. Okay, the history in this one could get confusing. Obviously it's from Manhattan, New York. It was rumoured to be created at the Manhattan Club in 1874 by Ian Marshall, mixed for Lady Randall Churchill. However, this is contested as it's been seen in Manhattan bars in the 1860s. Or another theory, it first appeared in Harry Johnson's 1880 bartender manual, but I'll let you guys scrap it out over that one. Using a julep or hawthorn strainer, strain into a chilled martini glass. Also, just to reveal something about my logo, I actually can't stand martini glasses. Every time I'm near them, I knock them flying all over people, or I spill them and people slip over. Well, I admit, they're iconic and they look great. Then spear a cherry with a pick, just like when your heart got broken. Give the subscribe button a good dry slap, and most will enjoy, and have a couple more and behave yourselves.